How to get more subscribers on Snapchat public profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get more subscribers on Snapchat public profile. Now if you open up Snapchat app and head into profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen here and scroll down, you'll find the option my public profile. If you head there, you'll be able to see the public profile. Now the trick to get more subscribers is the first and foremost thing is inviting people to subscribe to your channel. Now you can invite people to subscribe to your public profile here by inviting your friends first. You can invite your friends from your friend list. You can add more friends and you can post and you can invite them to subscribe. The other way is, however, to post more interesting contents and upload your stories on public profile. Here add to public stories and public profile stories. Now these are the ways you can get more subscribers on public profile. You can post regularly and on a daily basis, and you can add more interesting contents to your public profile, upload more, and this way you'll be able to get more subscribers. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.